Okay, I just want to show you how I start to draw a spirit person. Don't know how long this is going to take, but anyway, we just go with what comes along. That's if you can see me, it's a bit. So try not to stand in the way. Just I keep getting the name of Andrew. So I know that this would connect this person with somebody, either called Andrew, or his name could be Andrew. And I know that there's a lot of changes going on within my work at the moment about how this is working with me. I'm just doing what comes along to me, and I do feel there's quite a young person here, or they're showing themselves when they was young, of course. Oh, there we are. That's didn't take very long at all. I don't know whether you can actually